Good morning everyone. Today we will learn number formation of 7. 7 hippos. 7 bees. Number formation of 7. How to write number 7? Draw on the dot, make a sleeping line to the right, then slanting line down. Again we will repeat these steps. Draw on the dot, make a sleeping line to the right, then draw slanting line down. Number 7 is ready. Trace from the color number 7. Fill the color on dot, make a sleeping line to the right, slanting line down. Number 7 is ready. Match the number with the correct picture.